So you want to talk about a masterpiece song? This song is a masterpiece. I just did one on Tracy Chapman, Fast Car. I also called that a masterpiece. It is. This one came out in 1975. Michael Martin Murphey, Wildfire. Came out when I was still 14, not quite 15. I think as far as emotionally, this song hit me harder before the age of 15 than any other song. I was in love and it wasn't working. I really wanted it. I was dreaming about it working. This song is about losing someone, incredible visuals, and then dreaming about when you're going through desperation, thinking about having that person back. It's the story on it is gorgeous. It only has 4 stanzas in it. As far as a short song in writing, it's probably the greatest short masterpiece of writing in the history of music. And I'm not taking that back. I said it. So yeah, it came out in 1975 and it went to number 2. I thought it made it to number 1. It never made it to number 1. That really surprises me. It went to the number 1 on the country charts, and it's considered by the Country Music Association one of the top 100 country songs of all time. I've never considered this a country song, but I've heard that in his performances, Michael Martin Murphey has a bit of a country sound when he's singing this. So I'm going to do a performance of this that I've never seen before and see if that country sound comes through. He did some country songs. But what I want to do before this song gets going is I want to just read the lyrics. It's not much, and show and just reveal how much of a masterpiece the writing on this is. It was written by both Michael Martin Murphey and Larry Kanzler. They wrote it in 1968, and 7 years before it was actually performed. And Michael Martin Murphy, I think, said it was a dream or something that he got the lyrics from. Anyway, Wildfire, here's the lyrics. Listen to this masterful storytelling and what he leaves open to the imagination. She comes down from Yellow Mountain. What a way to start. On a dark, flat land she rides. On a pony she named Wildfire. I just love that image. Wow. And for me, she's going fast, has this sort of yellow hair even that's flowing behind her. That's why I've always pictured it from the first time I heard this. With a whirlwind by her side on a cold Nebraska night. Wow. What a start right there, folks. Oh my God, the images. I didn't know there were mountains in Nebraska. Oh, they say she died one winter when there came a killing frost, and the pony she named Wildfire busted down its stall. In a blizzard she was lost. Who was lost? The pony or her, the woman, or both? So it leaves it open, and it's like, what happened? She ran calling Wildfire. I mean, wow. She ran calling Wildfire. I mean, as a kid, this really, really gripped me. I mean, it's wrenching. By the dark of the moon, I planted. Just completely switches. By the dark of the moon, I planted. So that's left hanging. What the hell happened? She ran calling Wildfire. By the dark of the moon I planted, but there came an early snow. There's been a hoot owl howling by my window now for 6 nights in a row. Again, wow, extraordinary image. And where the hell is he going with this? She's coming for me, I know. She, the girl. And on Wildfire, we're both going to go. On Wildfire, we're going to ride. Going to leave sod busting behind. Get these hard times right out of our minds. Riding Wildfire. I mean, first he says she died one winter, then she ran calling Wildfire. I mean, and now he's 6 nights in a row of snow, hoot owl howling by my window, and he's thinking about her. He's dreaming about her. They both jump on Wildfire, and they ride away on Wildfire. I mean, it's just a story. I mean, it's just a heart-wrenching story. And Michael Martin Murphey, the music on this, the lyrics on this are extraordinary. It's got the famous beginning with the piano, which I promised, my grandfather was a piano player. I promised myself, it's my favorite piano beginning on a modern song. It was actually a bit of a take off of the famous classical musician Scriabin. I didn't know that at the time. So anyway, the beginning and ending on this with the piano is also famous. This to me is one of the top songs in all of modern music. It's moving, it's extraordinary, it's perfect. It's the perfect song. So this is a very long video for the song. The song itself is like 4.5 minutes, I think. This is 7.5 minutes. So I'm really curious to see what's going to happen. There may be some extended piano work on this, I hope. So we shall see. So here we go. I just can't wait to see this. Michael Martin Murphey and the Rio Grande Band. So there may be possibly some country flavor on this. I hope not too much, because I really like the original. So here we go.
One night I was writing with a friend of mine. We'd been writing a lot of songs. We stayed up till about 3 in the morning. I fell asleep on the floor. I had a dream, and the dream became this song that I wrote down on a legal pad.
Wow.
He came in and added some chords to it. It turned out to be about a magic horse.
Added some chords to it. Brilliant piano. That's nice. Yeah, they're gonna do some extra. Oh, that's extraordinary. I love that sort of almost dreamy sound to it. The actual beginning from the record has not started yet. So, but this is really nice. Brilliant. Folks, he's got 3 pianos in front of him, or keyboards. He's got 3 keyboards in front of him. Wow. Gorgeous. Still hasn't started yet. Wow. He's slowing it up. I'm going to back it up 10 seconds. He's slowing it up. It's really nice. The whole dreamy, twinkly state that he's creating for this gorgeous song is truly remarkable. Slow. I love how Michael Martin is turning around from the audience and watching. God, I should know the piano player's name. I don't, but I'll back it up 10 seconds. I just love how they're giving him his props at how gorgeous this is.
She comes down from Yellow Mountain.
Yeah, I'll back it up to where it starts on that. It's got a little bit of a country flavor, but it's not too much. It's really nice.
She comes down from Yellow Mountain on a dark flat land. On a pony she named Wildfire.
Love his voice.
A whirlwind by her side on a cold Nebraska night. They say she died one winter when there came a killing frost, and the pony she named Wildfire busted down and stopped in a blizzard. He was lost. She ran calling Wildfire.
Nice backup vocals. Nice guitar.
So by the dark of the moon I planted.
Got a very emotional face.
But there came an early snow. Then a hoot owl howling outside my window now. 6 nights in a row. She's coming for me, I know. And on Wildfire we're both gonna go. We'll be riding Wildfire, riding Wildfire, riding Wildfire. On Wildfire we're gonna ride, gonna leave our busted behind. Get the hard times right on our minds, riding Wildfire.
Piano coming up. Country guitar. Emotional.
Thank you once again, David Hoffner on keyboards.
David Hoffner, thank you for saying that, Michael. Two things major about this, besides the fact that it just really moved me. As a compliment, the extra guitar work by Michael and the piano playing by David Hoffner are just simply extraordinary. I mean, just so emotional and really struck me. The background guitars are great. The background vocals were great. The light drum work was great. But their work, their extra instrumental work added a layer to this song that was extemporaneously joyful and thoughtful and almost dreamy. And I love that. I don't like the country flavor on this song. To say I don't like it, I liked it a lot. I don't like it as much as the original. The original is pristine for me, and maybe that's just me. There are some songs that I think are really good country. For this one, they did an extraordinary job. I mean, it's just outrageously good. It's just, for me, not as exquisite as the original. Now, what I would like is for that extra piano and guitar work to be in the original, and that would make it, I think, even better, that Michael and David did. So, but this song, with the masterpiece lyrics on this, the storytelling on it, should move, I think, any person. I mean, the loss and then the desperation and dreaming about being back on a horse, back on Wildfire with a loved one, a female loved one who was lost in a blizzard, died in a blizzard. Boy, what a story, huh? And so well done, just perfectly done. So anyway, I look forward to y'all's comments on this. If you've got some memories on it, for me, it was a relationship with a girl that wasn't going so well, and this song really hit me, it moved me, brought me to tears, I think, a few times when I was 14 years old. So look forward to y'all's comments, and hope to see those. I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.